Welcome back to Primetime News. University of Technology President Dr. Kevin Brown says he's satisfied with the charges laid against the in-drive operator accused of murdering a student. Dr. Brown says since the incident, the university has increased security measures on campus. The Portmore Criminal Investigations Branch, CIB, on Wednesday charged 29-year-old Jamar Grant of Bull Bay with murder and kidnapping. The charges are in connection with the disappearance and death of University of Technology student Anissa Dilworth. The charges follow DNA test results that confirmed remains found near Port Clarence Beach on May 6 were those of Dilworth, who had been reported missing earlier this year. UTech President Dr. Kevin Brown said the development, while deeply tragic, brings some measure of relief to the university and the family.
Well, I'm happy to hear that the police have charged someone who allegedly murdered our student Anissa Dilworth. We want justice for Anissa, and we trust that a comprehensive process will now follow that will lead to a result. But for us at UTech, we are still mourning the loss of our student.
Dr. Brown says the incident has highlighted increasing concerns about student safety. He says this is especially for those who move away from home and may be more vulnerable.
We're in the process now of procuring more security apparatus, especially as it relates to technology-related measures. So we're looking at cameras that can read license plate numbers, that can track individuals around campus if they're suspected of doing something wrong, and several other measures that I don't want to talk about to enhance the security of our students and staff.
Dr. Brown says the university is taking active steps to enhance campus security. This includes the introduction of a new security app to improve safety for students and staff,
including a virtual panic button that they can press, and it will alert our security, and we hope we can connect it to the police system as well. The app will also allow them to read the license plate of a taxi that they're about to enter to confirm if it is a registered taxi with Transport Authority. And it will also allow them to share the journey with someone as well. So we're looking at those type of new security protocols and features to introduce in the upcoming academic year. But we're also working with the police as well to come on campus and to hold security seminars and awareness sessions to encourage the students to be safe.